Hey guys, welcome to Shop Dust. In this video, I'm going to be making these turnings for these copper flowers a friend of mine made for Christmas presents. So stick around and watch how I do it. Well, darn it. As you can see, it blew out. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and epoxy this on and clamp it down and let it set for a while. I'm going to be using 5-minute epoxy, but I'll probably let it set for about an hour. I'm going to go ahead and get started on the other one that I'm doing, and hope that this will glue back together or epoxy back together and be just fine. The tool caught and kablooey. It blew apart. That's twice it's happened on this. This wood's not real stable, got a lot of cracks, got a lot of checks. Probably should have soaked in a bucket of epoxy and let it soak all that epoxy in there and fill in all the cracks and stuff. But this stuff was handed to me. Needs to be done before Christmas. And it's for a friend of mine. So we'll go ahead and get it turned. I think I just need to be a lighter on my tool touches next time around. So with that, I will overcome and persevere. Well, there you have it, guys. Little turnings for these copper flowers. that my friend Robert made for Christmas presents. Turned out really nice. Instant gratification when you do any kind of turnings. Happens fast, happens furious. Sometimes things explode like you saw in the video. So with that, guys, you keep working in the shop.